Say for whatever reason someone decides to vandalize your car and spray paint it with paint. Now this is not the reason why this car was painted with a spray can. I don't know why, but that's just the way I got it. They did the entire hood with spray paint. They did the top part, they did the sides. But don't worry, you don't have to have the whole car painted. I'm going to show you step by step how to resolve this issue. All right, first thing we're going to do is we're going to get some 2000 wet sandpaper. The 2000 is going to be as easy on the paint as possible. And that's what we want to do. We don't want to damage the paint underneath. So you get some 2000. You're going to need some water, of course, and you're going to start sanding. Now you're going to ask, how much do I sand? Well, once you take the top layer off of the spray paint, you're going to see a cloud. And I'm going to show you that cloud in close-up. Can you see that outline of the spray paint? Let me see, go this way. There it is. All right, so you see that outline? That's what you're going to take off. You're going to gently take that off. After you feel that you've taken off that cloud that I mentioned before, this is what it's going to look like when it's dry. And of course you rinse it off. It's going to have that pale look to it, and you can feel it feels really smooth, smoother than the actual paint, because this car is a 2005, so there's some dirt on it. So there you have it, the 2000 grit sanding away of the paint that was sprayed on. So what's next, you might ask? Well, we're going to have to buff with compound. Find yourself some high grit compound or medium and put it on the car. We can do it like this. Just gonna do a little spot to show you. What it's gonna look like. Let me just rinse it off here. Okay, so you can see the shiny part. Hey, how you doing? There's the dull part. So there it is, the compound. So it's a slow go, but it saves you a lot of money for having to paint the car, because this door is next. This has got spray paint all over it. I just showed you after wet sanding and buffing what it looks like. In this particular vehicle, both sides were painted, and you can see the difference. This door was painted, this door was painted. It was all painted. Huge difference. And I figured, well, why did they spray paint this car with black paint? So maybe the hood was oxidized, but I did a part of the hood and it looks in beautiful condition. So then that's when I figured out the whole car was spray painted, and that spray paint can be removed. So if you spray paint and you change your mind, or if someone vandalized your car with spray paint, again, don't worry, all that spray paint will come out and it'll look like that. Have any questions, concerns, and concerns, don't fear. It's the Conquer Your Fear channel, and if I can answer your question, I will. All right, this is a free channel, so don't forget to subscribe if this video helped. Thanks a lot. Take care.